1, 2, Threebies.
Hi, Threebies. Where are you pedaling to so quickly? You're running to get tickets for Pop Sensations and Big Time Megastars Orange Blue. But where in Shapeville is Boxy? Hey, Boxy. So, what's going on? Oh, you've turned yourself into a dice. When you stop rolling, however many spots are on top of your face is how many steps you'll take. Oh. If Boxy leaves it to chance, you might never get your tickets. Rolling a 6 each time and taking 6 steps, you might be able to buy tickets in time. But if Boxy keeps rolling a 1, you'll be too slow. Chance means you have no control over what might happen. Oh! Hey! Boxy has rolled all the way to the ticket booth. What are the chances of that? Toodles, Threebies.
Watch more on the ABC Kids app.